I'm going to show you how to make what I think is the best falafel. So listen, these are very simple. Soaked chickpeas, onions, carrot, garlic, herbs. You can really do whatever you want. We love cilantro in ours. We like our falafel to be a little bit green.
Cilantro and parsley, yeah.
And parsley, and if you want to do mint, you can. If you want to do basil, some people do that. Very non-traditional, but why not? Baking powder, salt, turmeric, cumin. All right, and there's some...
Tell them why the baking powder.
The baking powder helps it leaven and helps it puff. What you don't want is a really dense, little bit of water. And then you want to buzz this up or what?
Sure.
All right, cool. It's nice. They didn't say I was going to have a sous chef on the show. This is awesome.
How's your money for falafel?
You just buzz it up. You let it chill.
And
then you have this guy right here. Now you can see like the chickpeas soak and they sort of absorb the water, so they're almost cooked, right?
Right.
Which is kind of what you want. You want them to be in the
that
fryer
nice
just
texture.
for a little bit.
Right.
And then you're just gonna form some patties. You can use an ice cream scoop. People use their hand and they get all fancy. I think just like...
The ice cream scoop is so much easier though,
So much
because
easier.
it's just, you know, every one will be the same shape and size.
Just pack it in.
Right. Just like for meatballs.
That's it.
Yeah.
Just like meatballs. So you want to make a couple of these guys, right? You turn this down. This is really good. And people get weird about frying in their homes. Honestly, you get a nice Dutch oven, nice cast iron pan.
Sure.
Easy money, right? Just open the window. I'm gonna make our tahina sauce, okay? So tahina is like the mother sauce for everything, almost more important than hummus when it comes to food in Israel, right? And it's straight up sesame paste. We put in some ice water too, and the ice water is gonna make it super creamy and kind of like, sort of like inflated. Little salt, okay, little cumin, little lemon. Those look good. You've obviously done this before. So, do you want to buzz that up? Let's
Sure.
actually crush a little garlic. Hang on 1 second. Just like a little bit. Okay, great. Buzz that up.
I like garlic.
All right. New recipe about to drop. So good, right?
I love it.
Now, as the ice melts, it sort of whips and it gets really inflated.
Very
and
clever.
It's awesome. And for our purposes, what we wanted to do is make this sort of sauce, like our version of special sauce. So we add a little bit of amba, which is a mango pickle, comes from Iraq, and a little bit of ketchup because America.
It's ketchup.
And then we add that to our tahina, and that's like our special sauce.
The special sauce.
That's it, the special sauce.
Falafels. Now we know.
Now you know. I'm gonna go the works. Boom.
The works.
All right, we'll do a little sauce on there. Let's sort of spoon it on. Okay.
You are not getting this at the drive-thru, people.
You are not.
No.
Until next year, we open a drive-through falafel shop.
Yeah.
Okay, let's throw some falafel
You've
balls
got to
in
do
there.
something in New York. Please, Michael, please.
I love New York.
I
It's
will
great.
help you.
I like it when New Yorkers come to Philly to have dinner. Yeah,
5
there's some
years.
cukes on there.
Yeah.
Let's get some za'atar on there as well. This is a great herb on everything. And then let's do a little bit of mint, a little bit of dill.
Oh.
There it is. Boom.